Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you would you like. So what is would you like? In order to learn would you like, we need to see the usages of would you like. So the usages are offer, invitation, specific situation and formal. Offer, invitation, specific situation and formal. These are the usages of would you like. Now it's time to see the structures. So the structures are would you like plus object, would you like plus first form verb plus object. Now it's time to see the examples. So examples are, the for example is would you like tea, would you like tea, would you like to have tea. Definitely would you like tea definitely is the first structure example, and definitely would you like to have tea, this is the example of from the second structure. So why do we use would you like? We use would you like for offer. Definitely here we are give offer. For example your friend, for example you are eating something, for example you are taking tea, so you are giving offer, or invitation to your friend that would you like tea, would you like tea, getting me? So why do we use would you like? For offer and invitation, and definitely we offer an invitation in a special situation, and this is a formal way to give offer and invitation. Now it's time to see the third example of would you like. Example is would you like chocolate, would you like chocolate, would you like to eat apple, would you like to eat apple, would you like to come to masjid, definitely would you like to perform namaz, would you like to perform namaz. So here also we are giving offer or invitation. So why do we would you like? We use would you like for offer, invitation, definitely we give offer and invitation in special situation in this formal way. Now it's time to see the structures of would you like. So the structures are would you like plus object, and definitely would you like plus first form verb plus object. And do you know what does mean a verb? A verb which is used to indicate the act is called verb. For example, if I say take, if I say eat, if I say do, if I say you can say operate, learn. So these all are what? These all words are called verb. Getting me? Because these all words are indicating act. So this was lecture on would you like. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.